Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this tutorial episode, we will be learning how to delete your Fruit Ninja 2 application whether you are using an Android or your iPhone. To uninstall or delete Fruit Ninja 2 app, first of all, go ahead and locate your Fruit Ninja 2 application on your app drawer. Now, press and hold the app for a couple of seconds, and then, in the pop-up menu, click on Remove App or Uninstall. Confirm removing or deleting your app by clicking on the Delete button, and you will be able to delete your Fruit Ninja 2 application from your smartphone. Now your application will be deleted, and if you ever want to get access to Fruit Ninja again, you will need to download the app by visiting your App Store or your Play Store again. So that is how you delete Fruit Ninja 2 application. If you found the video to be helpful, make sure you go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out on another update from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.